I never had a dog or a cat or anything, but I'm ready to be a pet owner. And is there any bond greater than a boy and his chicken? Nuh-uh. I'm gonna take good care of you. I feel weird calling you Chicken, 'cause people eat chicken. I know. I'll call you Nugget. Let's go explore the daycare. New student. Wink.
I'm seeing chickens! My vision book says that means I'm afraid of commitment. Well, I'm not afraid to commit anymore. Beverly, it's Chef. No more renting. I'm gonna buy that tuba.
Ever since that petting zoo, I've been feeling kind of weird. Almost like... I don't remember eating all this hair.
Aw, I'm gonna call him Nestor. Oh, and you're turning into a werewolf.
Nah,